PubMed, Basic Search. PubMed is the world's largest database of scholarly medical and health sciences literature. This video demonstrates how to use the basic search. On the library's website, find the Choose a Database button and click it. On the next screen, you're going to see our more than 200 databases arranged alphabetically at the top and by discipline at the bottom. PubMed is a recommended database for many disciplines, such as nursing, kinesiology, or anything to do with health. I'm going to click on nursing, and PubMed is the second database on the list. I've typed in my search, and now I'll run it. And we get 1,978 results. We're going to need to whittle this down, to narrow it down, with the filters that are available on the left-hand side here. At the top, you have two different ways that you can restrict by year of publication. And you can just come and click for the last 5 years right there. The next thing, text availability. If you click either of these full text boxes, you turn off a system that we paid extra for that will find you full text no matter which of our 200 databases it's in. So do not click right here. For this particular search, going on down to article type, I'm going to choose meta-analysis. And now we have just 62 results. This is still kind of a long list, so what I can do now is come up to the search box and click, leave a space, and add another keyword. And run the search again. And now I have just 3 results that are narrowed down to exactly my topic. Let's find the full text for the first one. I'm going to click on the title of the article, which is Effectiveness of Telehealth Interventions for Women with Postpartum Depression, Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis. And that takes me to a screen where on the upper right-hand corner here, I have multiple buttons that can get me to the full text. It's kind of confusing that there are multiple buttons, but don't let that worry you. Just start with one, and if you don't get what you want, go to the next one. This one on the bottom, Search for Full Text, in blue, is the one that I mentioned that represents our system we paid extra for. So if all else fails, up here, go for this button. And this one will allow you to place an order through our interlibrary loan service for the full text if we don't have it immediately available. I want to run another search. PubMed remembers the filters that I've set, which may be what I want, or may not. And there's 2 ways to reset the filters. You can go all the way down to the bottom here and reset the filters that way. Or up at the top, just click Clear All. And now I can take out this search and put in my next one, which will be a kinesiology topic. I've entered my new search, and now I'll run it. And I have 137 results. So again, I'm going to go to the filters here on the side. I will click on last 5 years. And down under additional filters, I can find female and different age groups, and I'm going to choose child, birth to 18 years. And now I have 17 results. Let's find the full text of the first one. Again, I'm going to click on the title. Here it's Acute Evaluation of Sport-Related Concussion and implications for the sport concussion assessment tool for adults, adolescents, and children, a systematic review. And on the next screen, this time I only have 2 buttons to choose from, so I'll go with that first one. And here is the database that's going to give me the full text that I can download as a PDF. Watch the other PubMed videos that demonstrate the advanced search and the MESH medical subject heading search. See our written and illustrated guide to the PubMed database at libguides.csusb.edu/PubMed. The end. Thank you for watching.